Don't buy too much profit per hour. Yes, I'm going to show you a mistake that I made today you shouldn't also make. Although buying profits per hour is very essential and very good, as said by Hamster Kombat themselves, but you shouldn't buy too much when you don't have this. So I'm going to explain it to you so that you also understand what I'm trying to also say. And don't come from my head yet. So you can see right here that I have 8.7 million tokens right there in my account, and today I earned 5 million tokens from this daily combo, and also I earned my 1 million token from this daily sci-fi right here. By the way, it's left with 22 minutes, so if you haven't got yours, make sure you go to my channel to watch the video about it and also get your 6 million tokens for the day. Now you can see when I scroll down here, you can see that even my fun token right here requires me to also use 3.2 million token. My staking token right here requires 1 million tokens, and when I scroll down here, you can see this Gamify token which requires 13.4 million tokens right here. Now this is the mistake that I'm going to tell you about. If you don't have too much tokens, don't buy too much profit per hour every single day after you end the daily combo as well as the daily sci-fi, because the next day you also need tokens. Also buy your way through the daily combo, especially you will buy the car before you get the 5 million token. Now here's the issue. So imagine this is the next day and I'm trying to get the 5 million tokens by unlocking the cards, and this Gamify token card is part of it, and right now I'm having 8 million tokens. That means I can't buy this Gamify token card, which will lead to me not getting the 5 million tokens for the day. I hope you get what I'm saying. So when I scroll through, not this, even the Gamify token, when I scroll through, you can see this margin trading 50x, which costs 40 million tokens to also buy it. And when I scroll through, you can see all these ones which cost 2.79 million. This cost 1.81. So it means that if it were to be the another day, that I would also get this 5 million token, any of these cars right here, which is the 40 million and also the 30 million I can buy it in order to get the 5 million tokens. So if you are starting out and you don't have too much tokens, don't buy too much profit per hour for a single day. Wait for the next day so that you can use your tokens to rather get the daily combo in order to get the 5 million tokens, so that you can also spend some on profit per hour. So that's what I'm trying to say, so that you won't also miss out on the daily combo cars that come in every day to also meet the 5 million tokens. If you got value in this video, or if you don't understand anything, you can comment down below in the comment section. I'll be there to answer them for you. And if you are new here, I give out daily sci-fi codes as well as the daily combo cards to earn a total of 6 million tokens every single day. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for any updates that I give on this channel. Make sure you like this video if you got value from it, and don't forget to also comment down below